Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Ward, and this is my developed answers presentation. And the three questions that I had was, how do we become a successful teacher? How do I create a learning environment? And what is the best attribute a teacher could develop? So for the first question, I found this really cool website called futureeducators.org, and it provides an article that is called 12 Things Successful Teachers Do. And I only picked like a couple that really stuck out to me. And the first one was believe in your students' potential. And I firmly believe this: if you give your students motivation that they are capable of great things and they can do anything they put their minds into, it'll give them motivation to work hard and to do well in the class. And the second one that I picked out was take risk. If the teacher tries new things and gets out of their comfort zone, they will be an example to the students, and the students will also take risk and get out of their comfort zone and do whatever it takes to be successful students. And for the second question, how do we create a learning environment? I really want my classroom to be warm and welcoming to other students, so they will be happy and have good attitudes about learning in class. And I really want I want to have a colorful classroom, just like certain materials that are just like different colors, like the rainbow, that'll just give the students increase or enhance their attitudes, and their behaviors are just more positive. And also, instead of individual desk, I think it would be beneficial to have tables just so the students are facing each other or in groups. And I've done this in classes here at BYU Idaho and in my high school, and it helped a lot, and it definitely changed my attitude in that class, and I've definitely made more friends and gotten more help in that class just because of that. And for the third question, what is the best attribute a teacher could develop? I think relating this to the gospel, I think charity is probably the best one, just because charity is the pure love of Christ. And because when you develop charity, you start to develop other Christ-like attributes like faith, hope, and patience, and certain in time you start to find yourself living these attributes in your life. And I think it could be really beneficial to you and for the students that you'll be teaching.